Hi everybody, Malik the Magic Guy with ExpertVillage.com teaching you about basic balloons. Now we're going to make a couple of kinds of sword. Now the first one is going to be a sword made out of loop twists. And this will be a lot, it'll start off like the elephant. So if you've watched the elephant, then this is going to be very similar. We're going to make a long bubble, about 6 inches or so, a couple of hands if you're using that measurement system. We're going to make a loop twist here, just like we did for the elephant. We're going to make another loop twist or fold twist here. Now, you can leave it like this and make it a 2-loop twist sword, or you can add one more and make 3, and that's going to make a basic sword. Now, you can adjust the size of the handle and the loops, and as you practice, you'll see how this will change the length of the sword, but for a small kid, you can give them this, and that's one way to make a sword. Now, the other fun way to do it is a pirate sword, and who doesn't like a pirate sword? Well, pirate swords are really easy. You're going to take a balloon blown almost all the way up to the end. The other balloon was blown up almost all the way to the end as well, but this you'll learn with some practice. You want to make a 1-inch bubble or so, just enough to kind of hold it in place. And then you're going to make a fairly big loop or fold twist. This is maybe 4 inches from here to here. And you're going to twist that around like that and sort of just shape it a little bit. Then you're going to take the rest of the balloon and tuck it through like this. Push that like that. Then you can give it a little bit of shape. And that'll give you like a cutlass-style pirate sword. Everybody say, "R." You can have fun with that, dueling with your friends. There you go.